will start the prayer. Thank you, God, for world so sweet. Thank you, God, for food we eat. Thank you, God, for birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Okay, now we are feeling very fresh to start our class. But before starting the class, there is someone here to meet you. This, hello friends. From my face only you came to know na who I am? Yes, I'm Water Drop here to meet you all. See my face. I'm looking so happy to see you all. Hi. It's really, I'm feeling very nice to see you all like this. We meet every day. But today I'm feeling really very happy to meet you all. Hi all. Okay. Okay, so Water Drop is here to meet you all. But what he is going to do here? What he is going to do with you? I have many things to talk with you. I'm going to share my photo album also with you and many other things also I'm going to share with you. Like we share many things with our friends. You're also my best friend. So I'm going to share many things of my life with you. Okay, so you're going to share your things with us. Yes, I'm going to share many things with us, and that is why I'm here. And because it is in your lesson also. So, because of that, also, I'm here to meet you all. Okay, yes, right. So, today our lesson is water literacy. And because of that lesson, this water drop is here to meet you all. Okay. So, see here, our subject is play, do and learn and our topic is water literacy. And that's why this water drop is here to meet you all and to share many things with you. So now we'll see what this water drop is going to share with you all. Okay. Yes, I'm very happy to see you all. All of us have our photo album from the childhood, right? And we see all the photos again and again like that. I also have my photo album. So I'm going to share that photo album with all of you. Wow, we are going to see the photo album of Water Drop. Yes, we are very happy, na? Yes, we are very happy. See, my friends are also very happy. Yes. So, I'm going to share some stories with you also, my life stories and my photo album. Okay, you can share with us. We will be very happy to see you all your photographs. Okay, let's start with my good memories, with my happy water drop photographs. Okay, let's start with my photo album. All in the form of a rain in June, July, August and September. Yes, so from this black clouds I come down. These black clouds are like my mothers. They, they give me birth and I can come down to meet you all from these black clouds. See, I'm coming down to meet you all and looking very happy. Yes. In the next, we will see the next photograph. Yes, now I will show you how I help you. There are many ways by which I help you and I really feel very happy when I help you all. I love to help you all because you all are my best friends and to the friends we know we help each other. Like that, I love to help you all in many ways. See here, I'm helping in watering the flower and kitchen garden. It means I'm helping in gardening. I'm helping to the plants to grow. Okay. So in the next photo, we will see how I'm helping you. See, I help you for washing hands and for making you clean. Na? In the whole day, you wash your hands, you take bath. Because of me, you can keep yourself clean. And I want you all to be clean and healthy. And I help you in that also. See, this boy is washing his hands, and because of this corona pandemic, you are using me again and again to keep your hands and body clean. That's really very, very good. I'm really very happy to keep you all clean and healthy. In the next photograph, we will see here, this is very, very important. And for drinking, you use me for drinking. You feel thirsty many times, and in the whole day you drink so much water, which keep you healthy. So I help you to be healthy and clean also. So you drink water and keep yourself hydrated and healthy. Yes, in the next photo, we will see how I help you. See here, I help in the kitchen also. Now you all use me in the kitchen for the cooking. For cooking, how we require the water? We require for washing all the vegetables, for all the washing all the pulses, and also in cooking the food. You require me, and I help you in the kitchen also to cook lovely, lovely, delicious food. Yes. Now in the next photograph, we will see. Yes, see here, agriculture. Without me, do you think this agriculture or growing plants or growing crops is possible? No, not at all. The agriculture of growing crops is possible only because of me. That's why farmers wait for me. Farmers wait for the rain, and when the rain comes, they conserve the water for the whole year. So I help in agriculture also, in growing crops and pulses which we eat for the whole year. Yes, now we will see in the next photograph how I help you all. Yes, see here, these people, these friends, they are enjoying the drive. They are enjoying the boat ride. So you can travel on me. You can go here one place to other by traveling in the ships, in the boats, and you can make use of me for traveling also. And I give you lots of fun in the traveling. You love to travel on big, big waves. You love to see the view, the clean water. And this way I help you in traveling also. In the next photo we will see. Yes, see here. As I help you, as I help the people for drinking water, for cooking, I help the animals, birds and plants also. Plants and big trees, they are my best friends. See here, all the animals and birds are there to drink the water. They are using me. This plants, this greenery is only because of me. And I love the trees and plants very much because they help me also to come down to meet you all. They helps to form the black clouds. That's why the trees, plants, greenery are my best friends. And here I'm helping them too, like I help you all. Next. So this way I help you all I help you all in many ways. Many of our work in our daily routine you carried out because of me. Oh, it's really great. This water helps us in many ways. So really the water is our best friend. Yes, as he said, he's our best friend. That's what he helps us now. Only friends and many, those who are near to us, they helps us in many of our work. Like that only the water drop is helping us. So we will say thank you to the water drop. Okay. Thank you, water drop, for helping us in so many ways and in so many work in our daily routine. Thank you very much. Okay, I'm really feeling very, very happy when someone says thank you to me. Yes, you're so good. So everyone will say thank you to you. Yes, na? Okay, thank you, all of you, all my best friends. Okay, so we are very, very happy to meet Water Drop. Yes, and he is showing us his photo album also, and we are enjoying that photo album. Oh, what happened to the water drop? See, his face is changed, na? Face expressions are changed. See what happened to him? Water drop is looking sad. What happened to you? Why you were so happy and your face was looking so nice? Now what happened to you, water drop? I'm looking sad because there are some people who make me sad. Okay, there are some peoples. Yes, people, it means some of my friends. I call them as a friends only, but they make me very, very sad. Okay, so your friends make you sad. How they make you sad? Yes, that's what I'm going to show you through my photo album. I showed you my happy moments. My happy moments and my happiness is in helping you all. I love to help you all. But they're like this for washing your vehicle or washing the car. Take the water in the bucket and you can wash your car easily with the little water also. Okay, we will do that. We will not make you sad. Okay, let's see the next friend, what he is doing. See the next friend. See this lady. She is washing clothes, but see the tap. She has kept the tap open and the bucket water is flowing down, and it makes me really very, very sad when you waste me like this. And there are many other peoples who are wandering here and there in search of me. So please don't waste water like this, because all of us require the water. So not only you are using me, there are many other peoples. So please don't waste the water like this. Close the water tap. See here, next. In the next picture, see this boy is taking bath, but the tap water in the bucket is open. He's taking bath under the shower. So much water is getting wasted. So instead of that, you can take the water in the bucket, the water which you required for taking bath, one bucket water, and you can take the bath in little water also, because I'm there to clean you. I love to keep you clean and healthy. So please don't waste me like this. See in the next picture. See here, this girl, she's looking so happy. But see the tap. She's brushing her teeth and the tap is open. The water is getting wasted. So please don't do this. Don't waste me. I really feel very, very sad when my friends do like this with me. Please don't waste me. Close the tap. Okay, okay. We will tell her to close the tap. You don't feel so much sad. Please close the tap. Okay, next photograph. We will see what our friends are doing. See here, this boy, he is watering the plants, but with the pipe. The tap is open and with the full force of water, he is watering the plants and the water is getting wasted. He is wasting me. So instead of that, you can use a watering can also. There is small watering can. Otherwise, you can take the water in the bucket also. And with the mug, you can water the plants because the plants require very little water daily. So you can you can give that water by watering can or by using bucket water also. So please don't use such pipes with a full spray of water, and it will only waste me. So please don't waste me like this, friends. So in the next we will see. So this way you all are wasting me, and that's why I'm feeling sad. Okay. Yes, we understood why you are feeling sad. Yes, really, these people, they are wasting you and making you sad. So we will tell them. Yes, please tell them, don't make me sad like this. Because I love to help you all, but please all of you take care of me too, as I take care of you. As a best friends, you also should take care of me, please. And how you can take care of me? By not wasting me. So please don't waste me, and take care and use a very little water, whatever you require. Okay. Okay, we will do like that only as you told us, because we want to be your best friends, right friends? We want to be the best friend of the water drop. So what we will do, we will make the water drop happy. Okay. So water drop, please don't feel sad. There is one of our friend, okay, Harshita. She will definitely make you happy with the song which she is going to sing for you. She has some song for you also, and some message also she is going to give all of us. So she will definitely make you happy with the song and with the message which she is going to give you. Okay. So I'm sure after listening to her song, you will feel very, very happy. Okay. Okay. Let's see whether Harshita is able to make me happy. Let's see, and let's meet our friend Harshita with the song and with the message which she is going to give us. Okay. We will meet our friend Harshita. Yes, I'm also very eager.
Let's sing the song. We should never waste the water. We should never waste the water. Water is our life. Water is our life. We use water for cooking, for bathing, and for brushing. We use water for watering the plants. We get fruits from the plants, but no water in the plants. Plants would die. Plants would die. We cannot live without water. Always save water. Always save water. Do not waste the water. Do not waste the water. Do not waste the water at any cost. Do not waste the water at any cost. Water is precious. Water is gold. Water is diamond. Water is money. Water is precious thing for all of us. Do not waste the water. Do not waste the water. Water is alive. Water is alive. Do not waste the water. Water is alive. Yay! Water time. Yay!
Close the tap.
Huh? Closing the tap? No! I'll throw the water here and there and wet the whole school. Yay!
Water is being wasted.
Yay! I don't get it. I want to play. Yay! Now with our tournament.
You will die without water one day.
Oh, but why will I die without water? Water is just water.
Water is life, don't you remember?
Water is life? Oh yes, water is our life. So we should never waste the water. Now let me try to fill this pot again of water.
Don't you remember Kasli's story?
Huh? There's no water in the tap. Oh my god, now how will I drink water? There's no water in the tap. I'll have to go home and drink water. Oh my, throat is paining. Water, 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 water. As we save all our precious things, we should also save our water. So have you seen the girl? She wasted the water and now she's dying without water. She has to wait till she reaches home. So do you also want to face the same problem? No. So we should always save water. Water is our life. Thank you. So let's sing a song. We should never waste the water. We should never waste the water.
Yes. See my happy face. Thank you, Arshita, for this lovely song. I'm very, very happy again. Oh, great. We are making you happy again. So we are really feeling very, very good. Yes. This Harshita, she is my best friend from now onwards because she's taking care of me and she's taking care of my mood also. She wants to make me happy. So I'm really feeling very, very happy because of this lovely song which she sang for me. And also she compared me with the diamond, with the gold, with the money. So I'm really very, very happy. Thank you, Harshita, for this, for making me so happy. Okay, like Harshita, she said that water is diamond, water is gold, water is money, water is precious. So we all have to, as we save the money, gold, this precious thing, we have to save the water also, because water is our life. As Harshita told us earlier, she wasted the water, but afterwards she understood the importance of water when she was very, very thirsty and she did not get the water because there was no water in the tap. So she understood the importance of water and she gave the message that water is our life and we have to save the water. Yes, she gave such a lovely message to all of you of saving me and not wasting means. So I'm really very, very happy with the Harshita. Thank you, Harshita. Yes. What happened? Again, your face is sad. Harshita made you happy, na? No, I'm feeling sad again. Why? Why you're sad again? Because only Harshita sang a song for me. Only she knew my importance. But what about you all? Do you know my importance? Do you want to take care of me? Do you all love me? Because I love you all very much and I love to help you all because you all are my best friends like Harshita. But do you also take care of me and do you also love me like Harshita? Yes, we love you and we also take care of you and we will take care of you in future also. No, I don't think so. I want song from you all also, like Harshita sang a song for me. Singing a song for you? No, we can't sing a song for you like Harshita, but we will promise you, okay? We will give you a promise. Okay, that will also do. So please, first you give me promise and then only I will be happy. Otherwise, my face will be sad like this. Okay, so friends, we will promise to the water drop to make him very, very happy. Okay, all of you are ready? So all of you make your hands like a water drops and we will promise to the water drop. Okay, make your hands like this for the promise. This is the shape of a water drop because we are going to promise to the water drop. Okay, let's start. Hello, my dear friend. Water. All of you repeat with me this promise. Hello, my dear friend, water. I will save you. I will never waste you. I will take care of you and I will stop others from wasting you. Okay, all of you repeated this promise. You repeat this promise again. Hello, my dear friend water. I will save you. I will take care of you. And I will stop others from wasting you. Okay, now water drop, we gave you the promise. Are you happy now? Yes, I'm very, very happy with this promise. You gave such a lovely promise for me of saving me, of taking care of me, and stopping others also from wasting me. So I'm really very, very happy. I feel like dancing. Thank you, all my besties. Okay, so now water drop is happy. Now, are you happy now? No problem, na? Anything? Any problem is there? No. But if you'll keep this promise and don't break this promise at all, then only I will be happy forever. Otherwise, I will become again sad. You want to see my face? See my this sad face? Do you like to see me like this? No, no, no. We don't like to see you in a sad face. We want to see you very, very happy. Okay, so all of you please keep the promise that you gave to me and also act like that and stop others also from wasting me. Okay. Okay, we will always remember the promise. Friends, whenever you touch the water, please don't forget this promise that we did to water drop. We promised to water drop of saving him, taking care of the water drop and not wasting the water and telling others also about it. Okay, so we will keep the water drop very, very happy always and we will take care of our promise also because these water drops helps us in many ways in our life. So we should take care of the water also. It is our duty. Okay. So it's really very, very nice moments of meeting water drop. Now, friends, now I am very, very busy. So I have to leave. Can I go now? I really felt very happy to meet you all and sharing my photo album with you all. So do you like my photo album? Yes, your photo album was so nice of helping others also and some of your sad moments also were there in the photo album. So we really enjoyed your photo album. Okay, so now it's time to go. Now I will go some other place. I have some work also, so I will go there. But we will keep on meeting every day happily. And you should always take care of me and I will take care of you. Okay. Bye-bye, friends. I'm going. Okay, so we made the water drop very, very happy and happily he left all of us. But he will always be there for us and we have to be there for the water by taking care of the water. Okay, friends? Okay, so now it's your homework time. So all of you, note down your homework. Your homework is very, very super simple, which you can do easily. So your homework is you have to write down the uses of water. Okay. So uses of water you have to write down in the notebook. In this whole lesson, water drop also told us the uses that how he helps us, how we use the water, and also our friend Harshita through the song, she also told us the many uses of water. So you can easily write down the uses of water in the notebook. So that is your homework that you have to write down the uses of water in the notebook. Okay. So your homework is given. So you have to complete it. Okay, friends. Okay. So we understood about the water awareness or water literacy. How we have to use the water. So thank you very much. So all of you take care. Stay safe, stay healthy, and save water. Okay. Bye.